How to fix max brightness keeps dimming on iPhone iOS 18. Hello everyone, if you are facing this kind of issue where even in the max brightness the screen keeps dimming, then follow these steps. Firstly, open settings on your device. On settings, scroll down slightly and go to this section. Navigate to the option accessibility and click on it. Now select the option display and text size. Inside you will see various options like this. At the very bottom of this page, you will see the option auto brightness. Make sure that this option is turned on. This way your brightness will be automatic and it won't dim. Go back to your settings main page and select display and brightness. Under the section brightness, there's the option called true tone. Make sure that this option is turned off. Now you can also adjust the brightness by simply dragging the bubble. Now go back to your settings main page. Select the option Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode and access it. Inside, scroll down and go to the option Attention Away Features. Make sure that this option is turned off. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.